MYOB Advanced Manufacturing is a cloud enterprise resource planning ERP system that connects every part of your business end-to-end to support business growth. MYOB Advanced Manufacturing is designed specifically for Australia and New Zealand and is a flexible, integrated, extensible manufacturing platform designed for medium-sized, discrete and project-centric manufacturers. For manufacturing businesses who experience supply chain complexities, lack of visibility on costs and processes, and production inefficiencies, including reliance on manual processes, MYOB Advanced Manufacturing addresses these challenges. MYOB Advanced Manufacturing provides an extensive suite of connected manufacturing business applications for production, estimating, engineering, material planning, scheduling, and product configuration. Data sits in one location so you have a single source of truth. Improve scheduling, costing, and material planning. Gain insights into production orders, work in progress, and job costs. Synchronize material requirements with product schedules. Access MYOB Advanced Manufacturing anywhere, anytime, on any device. Get a complete view of production details, including real-time updates, providing a continuous flow of information between the production floor and office. Scale and customize MYOB Advanced Manufacturing by being able to integrate with several key software vendors. MYOB Advanced Manufacturing is the platform that automates, simplifies, and connects key business processes which improve productivity, collaboration, and ultimately drive greater business growth.